What's up, guys? I wanted to share a little tip with you and give a little bit of a correction on part 2 of my original fuzz face build. As I am laying the components out on my breadboard, I come to this yellow capacitor here. It doesn't have any markings, writing on it or anything. That little black line you see, I drew on with magic marker. But what I did notice is one side had a longer leg, and I'm going to pan over here to another capacitor that's the exact same one. Now, as you can see, that leg is longer than this leg. That made me start thinking, this has polarity. So I got on YouTube, and there was a guy that builds pedals, and he had a question. I think it was acid fuzz or something, and he showed a little trick, and he said indeed these do. Film, polyester, ceramic, they all have polarity. So kudos to him for giving me some knowledge and sharing that knowledge with me and another pedal builder that asked him about noise in the circuit. So if you look here, there's a little black line, and then you got the longer leg, and then you got a bump here and here. He took a film capacitor, and what he did was plugged in a mono cable to his fuzz pedal, and he left the other end of the cable out, not plugged into anything. He then took that leg and this leg. He touched that leg to the tip, this leg to the sleeve, and then he reversed it where he touched this leg to the sleeve and that leg to the tip. And lo and behold, it introduced a lot more noise coming out the speaker. So if you have no markings on it, it's a good way to test everything out. Now, this is the schematic right here for the germanium. Positive is on the left for your capacitors, and with this capacitor you would have the negative and then the black line and then the long leg going out the trace for your positive. Now if you're doing the silicon NPN, you're going to reverse that. You're going to have the long leg on the right side and the black line on the right side too, negative over there. So right now I'm going to show you a picture of a guy that builds these as repops, and they say he's the best, but they can't be sold on Reverb because of trademark infringements and stuff like that. So I'm going to pop that up, and you'll see this capacitor in his circuit, and he's using plastic transistors, and you'll see he has everything reversed the same way as I do.